The X308 generation of the XJ saloon represented the second set of enhancements originally intended for the XJ40 replacement model. Design work for X308 commenced in 1994 following the launch of X300. Launched in August 1997, X308 looks very similar to the X300 model it replaced, save for restyled bumpers, elliptical indicators, improved clear lens front headlamps and revised rear lamps. The biggest visual changes for X308 was with the extensive interior update. Softer lines and a similar design language to XK8 offered more contemporary luxurious styling, with only the J-gate transmission selector and surrounding ski slope centre console being recognisable from X300. Substantial engineering changes were included with all X308s with the launch of the new AJ26 V8 engines comprising 3.2 litre, 4 litre and 4 litre supercharged variants. The 370 brake horsepower supercharged V8 cars comprised XJR and Daimler Super V8 models. The X308 generation XJs are known as XJ8s rather than XJ6s or XJ12s.